We got a 2001 Chevy Tahoe here. Idle's very low. So on Amazon's I ordered the idle air control valve. It goes right here. Looks like this. I ordered the $20 one. There's the numbers, if you can see the numbers. I'm gonna replace it and see if it does any good. So here we go. Okay, so there's the valve. Remove this with that flathead, 8 mil there for that thing. And to take off the sensor, you're going to need a T20. And take those 2 bolts off, and we'll have it off and put a new one on. See what it does. So we got it off. Comparing the 2 parts, they look pretty good. I'm pretty sure this is original. The reason why I'm changing it is it's got 225,000 miles, so you know, 20 bucks I'm gonna waste to see what it does, if it does anything. So I'm gonna install it, and here we go. Okay, so we finished the sensor replacement. I am going to fire this sucker up and let's see what it does. That looks better. It's usually staying at 5. And I just needed that little bit of boost. I'm always pushing the gas just a little bit. So I'm going to test it out for a few days and see what it does. Again, I bought this part off Amazon's for $20. Idle air control valve. Hope you catch some of my other videos. I'm making new ones as I come up a little bit more and more. I have more time to do this. I have an extra worker. So keep looking for me in the future.